What a waste of, ah! What we're going to be talking about today is something that I've been covering a lot of because some of you guys want to see how razors work, and I actually go out and go buy them. Unlike a lot of these sponsored reviews where you're like, wow, the way that shaves the head is phenomenal. But I shave my head all the time. And sometimes, more often than not, I have to trim up this jam right here. And let me just bring this down to show you what we're looking at today. What we're looking at is a Gillette little handheld jam. Now this, you're probably saying, why would you do a video like this? Because I cannot find anything that's as compact as these. I have all the trimmers like this, like I bought this, right? I have these, but they're not small enough. I wanted something that was portable, and I had this guy since 2019 or 2020, and it just recently gave out. Now, I know there's not a whole lot really to talk about with this, but I just want to show you how phenomenal and compact this is. First off, it takes a AA battery. Now, I think I did a review on an actual AA battery charger, so you don't have to go out and just keep buying them. But what happened? Are you serious? You serious right now? Serious? Okay, I put a battery in this, and I was like, ooh, let me go buy another one because the motor went dead. And, well, now that we're here, you can see that is working well. Okay, so that's great. Let's... I don't even know what to say at this point because I got it. I was like, yo, I can't wait to show this off to people of how great this razor is. So I went out and I bought another one because it wasn't working. Seriously? What? Okay. Well, let's dive in to what's included for $30. Now I'll have two of them. So they haven't changed the design since ever. You can see that this one's brand new. This is 2018 model. Take a look at that. There is a difference. The power button. Power button. Is that? Oh. You ever seen that toothbrush? Toothbrush? I said it right. Toothbrush guy. So, identical, literally. And there's these little attachments. I guess this just, I have never used any of these. I kind of just, I don't know why you would, I don't know why you would want that. That's just a big razor. It's not going to help vibrate it, but that's nice. And you get a little beard trimmer. But, oh, I guess that, oh. Oh my, that's got a lot of hair in it. Oh shit. Okay, well, okay. I didn't even know that popped up like that, but that's how that works. So not only do you get the weird razor attachment, which I honestly, I have no idea what that is for. I guess if you don't want to buy the stick and you're like, I need something automatic, you got this weird shimmy. You don't even need to attach this to this. You just kind of hold it like this and just shimmy your face. I feel like when I bought it originally, it did not have these. So you get these nice little attachments and you get a different color button than the old school one. But we're going to try it. I know that this is going to function just like this does. Absolutely phenomenal piece. So much so that now I have two working models.
I get it. It's close. But listen, I don't know how we're going to fix this. I'm looking at the mirror. I got somebody holding this. So I'm going to actually look at the mirror. Right. Just go ahead and pan around so they can see what I'm seeing. Just, you see this? So it's a mirror. I'm looking at the mirror at my face, and then I'm looking at the mirror to the camera. So I'm gonna try to do this without actually looking at myself. If I shave off my lip. Here we go. This is such a bad idea. I'm just gonna go by feel. Listen, shit.
Okay, I don't like this. I'm gonna shave
I'm
off
just
my.
gonna,
Can you just come up here and get it like
yeah.
this? Here we go. Check
Yeah.
this out. So you see these little stragglers right here. You see these hairs. That one I showed you. Don't mind the pimple or all the moles and shit on my face, but you see all these hairs. There's like no way to get those. Watch this. I don't know if I farted or if that was on the stomach. I don't know. That might have been the floor. That's really all it's good for. Don't try to do this with it. It's not good for shape up. It's just it's a lip cleaner.